Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Genspark AI is making waves, and today I'm going to show you exactly just how powerful it really is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is so much to actually explore on Genspark, so I really suggest you go and explore it for yourself, but I'm going to do a full tutorial and just a walkthrough. So first of all, what you're going to do is you'll actually get to this page and you'll actually be able to download Genspark to your device. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like on your web browser. On the left hand side, just like any other chatbot, you've got your homepage tab, all of your new items that you can open up here, and you can see that there's tons. There's from super chat to slides, sheets, docs, developer, designer, clip genius. There is so much. So once you've sort of explored all that they have, so it's quite easy. All you need to do, like for example for slides, you use one prompt and you get a complete slide presentation, and you can import it to any of the applications that you prefer to have your slides in, be they Google Slides or even Canva. You can also use PowerPoint. You can also see their sheets that support a whole bunch of different formats, and then they've got the developer over here, and then they have the regular chatbot that is just straight up here. So you can see you've got some tools, and here you can install some of your own tools that you already use, like Google Suite, your Notion, Microsoft 365. I use Microsoft 365. I use a bunch of Google tools. I use Slack. There's tons that you can literally just look for, and all you need to do is tap on install, and now it's integrated into your Genspark.ai. And that literally means that, you know, if you have any sort of work to do, you can literally just ask Genspark to do it for you. It's that easy. You can automate a lot. So you can also see you can do attachments, and you also can record audio. And then if you go to the top right hand side, the on-device free AI, this is when you actually install Genspark Super Agent to your actual device. Okay, this is an application, and now you can set it as your default device, and you can also automatically import all of your data from your previous your default browser. So let's say all of your bookmarks, your passwords, everything, your history, you can literally just import everything here, so you don't have to try and find yourself once you get here. It's fantastic. Over here you can see there's also tons of content that they've got over here, so you can literally just go, like for example, let's go and snap on this one over here, and this, as you can see, they have actual content here, so it's a full-on content set. Okay, and then you can chat with it interactively. You can ask for additional content. You can ask for it to be summarized. You can ask it to replace the information with your own information. You can upload your own documents. It's really fantastic. So going back to Genspark over here, my advice is to go through here and actually use these tools and explore them for yourselves. You've also got, as I mentioned, AI image generator, an AI video generator. You've got a whole bunch more agents over here. So as you go through here, you will see that there is tons more. I hope this was an awesome video, and enjoy Genspark.